Hey everyone. So as a first step, we need to install the SQL server in our local machine. So you may have gone through this LinkedIn post. So I just want to take next few minutes to walk you through how we can install SQL server in our machine. So I'm taking this local installation option and click on the link. So this will take me to the SQL server uh, download option. But if you scroll down, you'll see multiple options. But when you scroll down, you'll see Express Edition. So you can also go with Developer Edition, but Express is slightly lightweight. So I'm going with Express. So now if you go to downloads, you download. Yeah, my laptop is slightly slow today for some reason. What's going on? My power is downloaded, but you can see this Express Edition installed. I have tried multiple times, so that created multiple copies of it. So it asks for an installation SQL Server. Do you want to allow app to make changes? You have to give yes. So now it starts this Express Edition installation. There is a question: do you want to have basic, custom, download media? So let's go with basic. So select the basic installation, install the SQL Server database engine features with default configuration. So let's go with that. And either you read it or not, you have to accept it. Accept. So you can provide, if you wanted to install it in C drive, D drive, you can choose that here. So this is 6 GB. Minimum space is required 6 GB in your machine. And downloads is 278. I'm clicking on install. So it start downloading the files first. So this is going to take few minutes. So let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes, and if it is taking time, I'll pause the video and I'll get back to you once this downloading and installation is done. So now as you are seeing on the screen, it downloaded around 200 MB or 250 MB and installation has been started. So let's wait for the installation. I'll get back to you once the installation is done. So after the installation, it will take us to this page. So here you can see connect now, install SSMS. So basically this is a small version. So you need to explicitly install SSMS. So download and install SSMS. Like you can click on this link. Like I'm saying like SSMS 20.0, 20.2 I'm requesting to install. Now you can see that SSMS installation setup is available. So we'll install SSMS here. So please note this: if you are using a developer edition, you get everything in one, and that is not going to be this lightweight. Here in terms of this version, we need to install everything separately. So that pops up this window, what you're seeing on the screen, and you can click on install. Then you have to give permission to let this install. So I have double click this button so I can close this. SQL Server Management Studio 20.2 is in progress. You can see the setup has been completed. Let's see if this SSMS is installed. SQL Server. You can see SQL Server Management Studio is available. So let us open this SQL Server. SQL Server Management Studio is a client tool that help you to interact with SQL Server. So we already have an SMS 19 available, but we don't need to import any settings from there. So it pops up a window like this: server type, database engine. So we have different engine: database, analysis, reporting, integration. So since we are going to connect to database, we have to use database engine. So it is already auto pre-filled with the server name. Authentication, let's give Windows, because my this account is admin here. So I'll try to connect to it. Testable server, but the error occurred during the login process. I think like we can keep it optional and try again. Yeah. So now we have connected to the SQL server. So there is no databases here. So when we talk about table, we have talked about tables, right? So it's like server, database, then tables. So this is how this. So when you are saying that you are going to access a table, you have to connect to a database, and definitely you have to connect to a server. From there, you have to use a database to query it. So that's all for today. Hope you are able to follow these instructions and install the software successfully. So we'll be using this environment to create databases, tables, and all the practice sessions will be using this Express Edition. Thank you.